Alright guys, I'm going to go straight to the point. Today I'm making this video because I'm tired of seeing people losing money with meme coins on Solana. I'm tired of seeing people getting rug pulled on pump and dump schemes, or getting sold Telegram groups that don't even work, rug bots, or things like this. I'm tired of seeing people getting scammed day by day on the Solana blockchain. That's why today I want to give you a straight, easy, reliable method a lot of people have been using these last couple of weeks to make a lot of money using meme coins. And the method that I will be showing you exactly how to do in today's video is by launching your own coins and then removing the liquidity. So for example, if I go on my Photon and I go on Memescope and like for example this one right here, right, I guarantee you that this coin got rugged. As you can see by the chart, it went to a 65k market cap, and the dev of this coin completely rugged it to zero, and he made a shit ton of money, right? And that's exactly why you have to be launching your own coins, because you can make a lot of money by launching your own coins, right? Of course, this is all for educational purposes only, to show you how it works. So let me get straight to the point. So to launch your own coins, bro, you do not want to use Pump.Fun because it is too saturated and too many coins are scams nowadays on Pump.Fun, and that's why people are looking to buy into the Raydium DEX, which is a decentralized exchange where a bunch of people are looking to make money off of. So for example, if I go on Photon and I go on trending, right, and I select the Raydium DEX, just look at the market caps, bro. 1 million, 100,000, 150 million, 3 million, 1 million, right? And if I compare that to the Pump.Fun DEX, yeah, the market caps are absolutely horrible. So 45k, 30k, 30k, 15k, bro. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to be making coins on the Raydium DEX if you actually want to make some money. Okay, now to launch your coins on the Raydium DEX, right, we will be using a website that's called launch token.fun. So as you can see here, you can create your own coin manually by putting the token name, the token symbol, and the token image. You can even manage liquidity here, but you can also, okay, as you can see here, you can also duplicate any trending coins on Pump.Fun. So for example, every single coin here, okay, if you duplicate any single coin here, right, you will at least make a couple $100 because these coins are all trending and they're all pumping. So you're basically guaranteed to make some money, right? Because they're all getting traction, right? Now, you can either make your own coin right here, but I'm too lazy, bro. I want to make a quick buck. So I'm going to come to the copy trending coins feature and I'm actually going to duplicate the coin. So, okay, the fearless coin right here just caught my attention. It has 100 replies and it even has a Twitter and it has a Telegram, right? So I'm actually going to create this coin, duplicate this coin, right? I'm gonna go into my Phantom. Okay, a warning will pop up, bro, but this is completely normal since this website is currently being verified by Phantom, so you can just ignore that and you proceed. You can do confirm, I understand, confirm, and then you just have to wait. Boom, it popped up. Now copy the token address and click on create liquidity pool because you want to make your coin tradable on the blockchain, right? Here you want to select your coin. Here select your Solana balance. Here click on max because you want to give away 1 billion coins in liquidity, right? And as you can see here, the amount token B right here is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own money. Now, you will not lose this money since you will be the first buyer inside your coin. So don't get worried, bro. The money right here is safe, okay? It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity. So you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I would just put 0.5 because that is what I am comfortable with. And then you can do create pool, right? Okay, once again, do proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then just click on refresh. Okay, it popped up. Now click on view on Photon. And as you can see, your coin is now live. It is now pumping just a little bit. So the first initial buyers, okay, you have to ignore since these are all bot buyers. So just be patient and wait for new buyers, right? And once the market cap of the coin is high enough and you are satisfied with the money, you can simply come back to launch token.fun, click on the minus button and remove the liquidity. So just give it a couple seconds to get some buyers in. Okay, now it's pumping. As you can see, now it's pumping. Okay, a bunch of buyers are coming in at the moment. Okay, it is pumping a lot. Okay, now it might be a good time to remove the liquidity because I want to make this video short and sweet. So come back to token.fun, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity. Come on. After that, to proceed, confirm. I understand. Confirm. And boom, you just remove the liquidity, and as you can see, you just made 1.06 Solana in a matter of seconds. So if I do the math real quick, 1.06 minus 0.5, I just made 0.56 Solana in a matter of seconds, bro. Kids, do not try this at home because it's way too easy.